to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tiffany. My channel is Walk With Me Tiffany. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm actually going to be doing a cooking video today. I'm going to cook some cabbage rolls. I'm going to attempt to cook some cabbage rolls, you guys. I don't know how it's going to come out, but we're going to pray over that thing, honey. So thank you so much for joining me. I actually got this recipe from a YouTuber that I really enjoy watching. Her name is Kim, and her channel is Living with Kim. I believe it's Living with Kim. But anyways, I'll put her link in the description box down below, so you guys please check out her channel. She's freaking awesome. She's a country gal, so am I. Her videos are just so freaking relaxing. And I'm a country gal too by blood, okay? Listen. I'm originally from Gainesville, Florida, honey. But my dad joined the military, so I'm a military brat, but it's still inside of me, honey. So anywho, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic week. If you guys have any questions or anything, please leave comments down below. Please hit the thumbs up button. And yeah, thank you guys for joining me, and I love you guys. And I guess let's get started. All right, let's see how it turns out, y'all. Let's pray. All right, let's go. Can't nobody tell me nothing.
Hey, there we go.
Hey, can't nobody tell me nothing. Hey.
So yeah, keeps parenting anything. Actually, I hope she keeps singing.
How does it go?
Can't tell me nothing.
Look at this clown. She's talking about if he doesn't like it.
No, I'm trying to get her to sing it so that she was.
Yeah, the great logic. Perfect thinking.
I think the boys sounded really good singing, honey.
Try again.
Alright, you guys, so my kids are in the background. They're loud. As you can see the boys back there. I went and changed this to something a little bit more comfortable. Proud Parent 2019. Yeah, baby. Because it's hot, I'm at home, I'm relaxed, and who wants to cook in something dressy? I don't. So, anywho, it's family day, Sunday Funday. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I am going to start off by mixing the meat, the inside, the filling, I guess. So I got a pack of ground beef. I got the 5-pound because we have a huge family and everybody here likes to eat. I have 2 big boys. My daughter can eat too, and my brother, my dad. We all eat a lot, my mom. And then I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to put the ground Italian sausage with it. I got the mild. So I'll probably mix like maybe 3 packages of these with it. And then I have the sauerkraut. And then I have the rice. And then I'm going to use for seasoning a little bit of seasoning salt. And don't mind my nails. I will do my nails tonight before work tomorrow, you guys. They're totally different. And I have the sea salt. I probably won't use sea salt because I have the seasoning salt. That's enough salt. And then I have the minced garlic. And I have the roasted garlic and whatever, herbs, whatever. Anywho, and then we're probably going to put some fresh onions. So I will show you guys after I finish mixing everything together how it turns out. Hello, so I got my meat mixture mixed. I'm picky. I know I'm not the best. I mean, I love cooking, but I'm not an expert like my mother and some of the older cooks. So I like to try, like when I'm doing ground beef, every once in a while when I'm doing new recipes and stuff like this, I'm going to actually cook a little bit of the ground beef. People might think I'm ghetto, but I need to make sure it's seasoned well, so I'm going to try a little piece, like a small little patty like a quarter size. So, but it's looking pretty yum.
8. You already said that 8. I did? Yeah. Oh, H10. Yes. Oh, it's game.
Who's winning?
Me. I won.
Oh, you won?
Yes. F6.
Again?
F6. Nah, this is my first time being here. Yeah. I mean, it's only 2 out of 3, so.
Because I literally
No, 2 out
let you
of
win this thing.
J10.
You let him win?
F6. Yeah, I was trying to do something.
Yeah, because he keeps moving his ships around.
No, I made a big old heart in the thing. He's like, I don't see nothing.
What's the name of this game?
Battleship.
Battleship.
What about F6?
F6? That was a miss.
So I did my, the lighting sucks here. So I did my ground beef and sausage mixture. I put the sauerkraut, seasoning, salt, garlic powder, onions, and then some another seasoning. You can put whatever seasoning I guess you want. I'm doing it. And then I did boil my cabbage whole, and I let them boil for about 20 something minutes, so they're cooling off now. So we'll see how it turns out, you guys. See my boys over there.
No, because he didn't win.
That's what it is.
No, it was right in the middle of his blast.
So Vontae lost again?
He cheated. He cheated. It was I hit him right in the middle of his ship, and he lied to me until I didn't hit him. And then he showed it to me. It's like, you didn't hit me. You didn't hit me. And he said he probably heard me wrong. Cheater. I'm done playing with you. I don't play with cheaters.
It's not nice to be a cheater. Who's ever cheating? Mommy didn't raise you to be a cheater. I boiled the cabbage, which I use about 4 heads of cabbage. I made a lot for everybody. We have a big family. So the way I boiled them was I didn't take the core out at first. First I let the whole cabbage, peel off like the first 2 layers of the cabbage, and then I just stuck it in the water and let it boil. And then I took it out and let them cool. And then I cut the core out. It was much easier to try to cut the core out because it was softer. And then, of course, after that, when you cut the core out, then you start peeling back the cabbage leaves. If it's too hard to peel back, or like they're tearing as you're peeling, then put them in the water as more each time, and it helps make it softer. That means you need to let it boil just like a few more seconds or something. And then if you have trouble after you start peeling them back again, put it back in the water and, and continue, repeat the process. But, yeah, that's basically it. Cabbage, and I thought I had overcooked them, I'm not sure. Anywho, I peeled off like the first few layers and then it got better underneath, so I'm guessing they're ready. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my mixture. Oh, I forgot to add the eggs. So I put the eggs in there. I don't know if you're supposed to pre-cook your rice, but I didn't. I just put it with the beef. And okay, you guys, so hopefully y'all can see this. Getting like my little cabbage rolls. And just grabbing a little bit of ground beef. Can you boys turn that TV down some, please? Yeah, like you can't hear. Pause it until you get back.
Where's your purse?
Alright.
Where's your purse?
We already seen the movie. Desiree just wanted it to watch.
So it comes out like this. Like a tortilla. Where's my purse?
Those look like burritos. Okay, I'm sorry.
A burrito. Come say bye, Vontae. Tell me you're going to work.
I'm going to the car.
It's going to work. Deuces.
What is it?
Have fun. Give mommy
I'm outie.
Give mommy koozie. So anyways, you guys. Love you. Have a blessed day. Alright guys, so I take a leaf and I have like the stem or whatever this way facing me. And I just put a little bit of the mixture or the filling in like that. And just kind of wrap it like that might be too much. Anyways, I know that Miss Kim, she used more than 1 leaf for some, so I think I'm going to take a little bit of beef out of this filling. And just kind of wrap it. And roll it. Voila. Alright, so I'm going to keep doing that until I finish, you guys. kind of a lot of work. Oh my gosh. Maybe I'm just a lazy cook. Alright, that's good. Thank you so much. Okay, you guys. Whew, this is a lot of work. This is why I don't cook like that anymore. My kids are older. I don't have a husband. I don't have to. My mom fusses, but I'm over here cooking this for her today. But here is one of the dishes that's finished. Alright, you guys, here's the final product. We put foil over it and we let it cook for about 2.5 hours. And here's the final product. And we actually made 2 of these, so we made a lot. So it's like, ooh, I don't know how many in one roll. We got 1, 2, 3 rolls, and it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 10 in each roll, and we got 3 rolls of 10 on each pan. So we made quite a bit. And my mom is trying it now. How does it taste, Mother? She doesn't want to be on camera right now because her hair is not done. It's delicious.
That's right.
Good. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I would suggest that you do prepare your cabbage like the day before. Don't overcook your cabbage. I did mine 20 minutes and I think it was too long. I say maybe like 15 minutes or less than that, like a few seconds if the water's really hot. And if you need to put the cabbage back in the pot to peel it as you go, then do it. Because if the cabbage is tearing as you're peeling it off, that means it's not, it needs to boil a little bit longer. So we use 3 heads of cabbage because we have a huge family. But yeah, it came out pretty good. My mom cooked some mashed potatoes to go with it and some rolls. So we're going to have the cabbage rolls that I made, and she made some mashed potatoes and some fresh dinner rolls to go with it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please hit the like button, share this video, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't done so, and please hit the thumbs up button. And I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to answer. Alright, you guys, stay blessed. Peace.